We look back at the 2018 final series, I think we'll still be talking about the Melbourne-Geelong game. That's my prediction.
Yeah.
Like, but I just can't, you know what, I just can't, I thought about this a lot over the weekend, I just can't see Melbourne beating Selwood, Ablett at Dangerfield.
Well, we might talk about that at 7 o'clock.
ABM 529.
Winner for us, an early winner, Longs.
Doesn't know how to give way at roundabouts. What a douche. Now they've slowed right down because they think I've told them they've done something wrong. Well, they don't think they're in the wrong at all. He's looking at me like he's done nothing wrong. What a fucking idiot. You're on the camera, mate.